One of my students the other day said, "Uncle Geoff, can you help me with will do and will be doing? I'm confused. How do I use them in a sentence?" Well, Uncle Geoff is here to help. First of all, look at these two sentences. Look at the first one. The band will play when the Queen enters the room. And look at the second sentence. The band will be playing when the Queen enters the room. In the first sentence, the Queen will enter the room and then the band will start to play. In the second sentence, the band have already started playing before the Queen came into the room. So, two different sentences, two different pictures in your mind. The band will play when the Queen enters the room. Everything is quiet. The music hasn't started yet. The Queen walks into the room. The band starts to play. In the second sentence, the music is playing. They started a few moments before. And then, while they are playing, the Queen walks into the room. And they finish sometime afterwards. So you have the duration of the playing. The first sentence, will play, is just fact, simple, nothing extra, no emotion. The second sentence, it's emotional because it's ing. There's a picture of music playing. So there we are. Will do and will be doing. There, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.